Hey guys, today's video is going to be my Sephora play for the month of August. It just came in the mail. I am super excited. I actually had like so many different beauty boxes come in the mail, like all within like a couple of days. So I'm trying to pre-film videos. I feel like crap. If you want to know the reasons, I will link my vlog channel down below. I have like a pregnancy update on there, and yeah, I'm just not feeling well, but I'm trying to do these videos and get these videos out for you guys. Okay, so Sephora play. This is my fourth bag I think I've gotten, and I've liked them all so far, and it's cheap. It's $10 a month, or like 10 something with tax, I think. So yeah, I think it's totally worth it. So this month the theme is Beauty Schooled, and it always comes with like this poster thing that talks about the products. I feel like crap. If you want to know the reasons, I will link my vlog channel down below. I have like a pregnancy update on there, and yeah, I'm just not feeling well, but I'm trying to do these videos and get these videos out for you guys. Okay, so Sephora play. This is my fourth bag I think I've gotten, and I've liked them all so far, and it's cheap. It's $10 a month, or like 10 something with tax, I think. So yeah, I think it's totally worth it. So this month the theme is Beauty Schooled, and it always comes with like this poster thing that talks about the products. The first thing is by Moroccan Oil. This is the Dry Texture Spray. Ooh. This is a finishing texture spray that delivers voluminous, undone looks that last all day. I've used Moroccan Oil something, and I really liked it. It is a pricier brand, but I'm excited to try this. There's that. Don't mind my nails. I have something from Makeup Forever. This is a little tiny baby lipstick in the color C211. Yeah, it's a highly pigmented lipstick in a soft rosewood shade with a smooth satin finish. Ooh, I like that color. I will definitely use that color. Ooh, that's really pretty. Next we have a little mini hula bronzer from Benefit. A matte bronzer in a natural hue that blends easily for a sun-kissed look. So this is like an all-time like staple item if you like makeup. Hula bronzer. This is really cute. Super tiny, but that's what it looks like. This is a good box so far. Ooh, we have something from NARS. This is the Smudge Proof Eyeshadow Base. A crease-proof eyelid primer that sets eye makeup for all-day wear. I don't usually use eyeshadow primers. I mean, it depends on the look, and it depends on the color. An eyeshadow primer, I'll definitely try it out. Okay, next, what is this? This is Dr. Dennis Gross C+ Collagen Deep Cream. Do your best, it says. A quick absorbing cream that hydrates the skin for a dewy, bright complexion. Dr. Dennis Gross Skincare. I've never heard of this guy. But yeah, I'll definitely try it out. Let's smell it. Ooh. Ooh, it smells very clean. And the bonus item for this month is Southern Belle Volume Boosting Shampoo and Conditioner. This is from Drybar. A shampoo and conditioning duo that adds body and protects against dryness. Mama needs body. Well, I need body in my hair because I've already got a very pregnant body going on right now. But yeah, I need body and volume in my hair, so I'm excited to try this. So my thoughts on this bag, I think this is a good bag this month. I will definitely use the eyeshadow primer. Like I said, this isn't a product that I use every day, but it is good to have. I'm excited to try out this moisturizer and see what the deal is with that. Hula bronzer, can always use another bronzer, and it's a classic too. This little itty bitty Makeup Forever lipstick is adorable and will go in the diaper bag. This dry texture spray, I've used Moroccan Oil before and I really liked. What the hell did I even use? It was a mask. Yeah, it was definitely a mask. And I loved it, and I've been wanting to try more products from them. I just haven't, but I'll be able to try this now. And then the shampoo and conditioner from Drybar. I'm definitely excited to try this. I might actually use it tonight. Okay, so that is it for my Sephora play bag for the month of August. If you guys want to sign up for this service, I will have a link down below. That's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.